Come take a look at this new 2014 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. For your protection, this vehicle has a full factory warranty. This vehicle gets an estimated 17 miles per gallon in the city, and an estimated 22 on the highway. This Silverado 1500 boasts a 5.3-liter engine, and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Another great feature is that this vehicle uses flex fuel. Additional options for this vehicle include the 1LT Preferred Equipment Group, seats, front 40/20/40 split bench, 3-passenger, available in cloth or leather, GVWR, 7,200 pounds, 3,266 kilograms, emissions, federal requirements, blue topaz metallic, rear axle, 3.42 ratio, jet black, leather appointed seat trim, engine, 5.3L flex fuel EcoTech 3 with active fuel management, direct injection and variable valve timing, transmission, 6-speed automatic, electronically control LED, steering column, manual tilt and telescoping, LT convenience package, tires, T275/55. R20 all-terrain, black wall and the wheels, 20 inches x 9, 50.8 cm x 22.9 cm, polished aluminum. Call 888-905-2211 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.